Usually, if you want to cut this sphere using these cylinders, you should add a boolean modifier, select the object you want to use as a cutter, and so on. So it takes like several steps to do a boolean operation. Instead of doing this, if you want to make it in a faster way, I would recommend you to use this add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and activate the Object Bool Tool add-on. So in the Edit panel, you will see this this add-on with this button, in this case difference. So select the object that you want to use as a cutter, and at the end select the sphere and select difference. So this way, with only one step, you can make a Boolean operation.